Did you expect the restrictions of martial law to be more severe?
No, because I think that the martial law authorities have acted with wisdom, and I would attribute wisdom to people who have distinguished themselves in their own fields and who know the nation's problems. They are aware of the depth of the crisis, and they have reacted and reflected to the yearnings and the requirements of our times.
You're talking, let me just interrupt you, you're talking as if you support this declaration of martial law.
No, I don't say that. I don't support it. I only say that now we are, nor do I deprecate it. It's a factual position. And we are dealing with the reality of power, with the foci of power. And I think from a certain point of view, it is better than the country being led towards a civil war, which Ayub Khan was engineering. But the fact that martial law is a temporary measure only to stem the tide and to arrest the deterioration, from that point of view, I think it has become an inevitable development precipitated by Ayub Khan and those who played to his game. But I feel reassured by the categorical pledge made, and I keep repeating that, by the Chief Martial Law Administrator, that he will hold elections in the country as soon as possible.